Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unsubscribe from Kohl's sale alerts. If you don't have a Kohl's account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website kohls.com. On this page, you will see an option for account. Click on Account. On the drop-down list, you will see a button that says Sign In. Click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Settings. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for Communication Preferences. Click on Communication Preferences. On this page, you will see a section for sale alerts. On its right side, you will see an Edit button. Click on the Edit button. To unsubscribe, click on the tick box beside Yes, sign me up. I'd like to receive Kohl's email offers. After that, click on Save. And now you'll no longer receive email sale alerts unless you turn it on again. That's how you unsubscribe from Kohl's sale alerts. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.